The Bay Breeze, it's well known, it's super easy to make, but it's not all that exciting. It's just kind of a regular, ordinary drink. So we gotta spice this up a little bit. How can we do to spice this up? Maybe if I talk dramatic. In a world where healthy stuff meets alcohol, it's the Bay Breeze. I got it. This drink is beachy, and it puts you in that mood. So as I talk, I'm just going to put some clips here of people doing fun stuff at the beach, Let's say you've gone swimming, maybe you're having a martini or something by the pool. Maybe you're not into martinis, which, in this case, a Bay Breeze would be great for you. I mean, this drink is ultra simple. It's a beautiful thing. If people are coming over to my home and asking for a drink, a Bay Breeze isn't a bad one to ask for because it's just so easy and it goes down smooth. So I definitely enjoy having them, and today we're going to make one. Okay, now that I've exhausted my array of royalty-free clips, let's actually make this cocktail. And it is very, very simple. We're going to start with just a regular highball glass. Really, really easy. And, to interest it up, I added one that has a little design on it. We're going to start this off with a highball glass full of ice because it's built. Meaning, there's no stirring, no shaking going on. We're just pouring all the ingredients right in the glass as we go. And starting off with vodka. 2 ounces of vodka. Doesn't have to be a real primo brand because this drink is highly in juice, so it's really not meant to have a lot of that alcohol taste to it. It's more or less a sneak up, thing where you're having some drinks by the beach. Next thing you know, you wake up passed out on somebody's lawn chairs while they spray you with a garden hose. Next part, I like to just eyeball it. Fill the cup half the way with pineapple, half the way with cranberry. I'm going to put a straw in there and a nice little lime for garnish. That's it. I told you, it's simple. It's not real entertaining. Cue more people on the beach having fun. It's hard to complain about the drink unless you don't like pineapples. If you don't like pineapples, you're not going to like this. But, yeah, seriously. Easy peasy. Good drink. Can't taste much alcohol in it. It's definitely a poolside sipper for sure. So if you like this cocktail and you're interested in learning some more complicated things, want to expand your knowledge of cocktails, then click on the subscribe button down below. That bell icon will notify you when I post new videos so you can stay up to date. This way we can all learn about cocktails together. Because remember, if this idiot can do it, then so can you. Cheers.